So what happens if some of your cakes are stuck? I managed to get 2 out very easily. Okay, now these ones are stuck. So I get a spatula or a knife and just loosen the edges just a little bit, because sometimes, you know, when you put your batter in there, there's some that goes on the sides and gets burnt on. Okay, so just gently loosen. This one's already coming loose. This one. Okay, and this one. Just go around the edges very gently without scratching your pan. Turn this one. It happens sometimes, very rarely. This is probably the first time it's happened in years, many years. So it might be something to do with how I lined it. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over and try to get them out again. Shake it a little bit, and there you go. They are all out now. Okay, and nice clean pan, no cake residue.